ID. So today is June 20 and it's Friday, and it's already evening na, and na-late ko record, so duka na kaayo. Pero I did nothing special man kanina. Said I just play ML, ganyan, tapos grow a garden. Nothing special talaga. I just did the same thing, and I'm very sleepy na kaayo, so I might upload this tomorrow. Sorry. So I think this record will just last for a minute. Kapin, I'll just make it a minute. Pero nothing grand happened talaga sa Friday. Wala jud, katura jud gyapon akong gibuhat di. Unsa ka unhealthy. I was planning not on delete ako magkuan karon. It's already 11 PM, so supposed to be dito ako maabot diri kay Las Batak na to na ako, pero na lose streak magud di. Anyways, I'm so sleepy, so I will upload this tomorrow na lang. Bye bye.